Now guys, this is not a joke. I made over $950,000 from meme coin launches. If you want to learn exactly how I did it, make sure you keep watching until the end of the video. Now, a couple months ago, I was broke. I used to trade meme coins every single day, looking for the next big meme coin to print me thousands of dollars. But the truth is that every single time I tried to buy inside a coin, I just got rug pulled. For example, this coin just got launched a couple minutes ago, and I swear to God, this coin is gonna go to zero. It's just how meme coins works. But that's exactly why I switched to a brand new strategy. Now I am the one who is launching and creating these coins. Now all I do is I launch a coin, I wait for buyers to buy in, and when the market cap and the liquidity is really high, I simply just remove the liquidity and I exit with thousands of dollars of profits. For example, this coin is a perfect example of the strategy. As you can see, it pumped up really high and then it dumped to complete zero in a matter of minutes. And the thing that makes this strategy so special is that it's fully repeatable. You can do this over and over again until you have a shit ton of money. So if you want to learn exactly how to launch your first coin and make some money, make sure you keep watching until the end. But obviously this video is fully 100% for educational and entertainment purposes only, so please do not copy me. Stop the cap! But anyways, now to create and launch your first coin, I would highly advise you to head over to create token.Fun, because here is where you will be able to launch and make your first coin, obviously with no coding experience required. Now, the reason why thousands and thousands of people use create tokens.Fun to launch their coins is because all the coins that are launched through here are all going to be listed on the Radium Dex, which means that your coin will be immediately graduated without going through all the bonding curve bullshit. And also, all the coins on the Radium Dex will get a way much higher market cap than the coins on Pump.Fun, so you are way more profitable by making your coins on create tokens.Fun. But anyways, now to create and launch your own coin, you have two different options. The first one is to actually make it from scratch. So all you would do is find a narrative on Twitter or on Google, and then you would input the token name, token symbol, token image, and make that coin from scratch. But the second option is actually my favorite one, because I'm actually printing thousands of dollars off doing this, and it's by copying trending coins. Now the strategy is pretty simple. Basically, all these coins here are all trending and pumping on Pump.Fun, and all you have to do is copy it, list it back up on the Radium Dex, print way more money, dump it, and then rinse and repeat until you have the desired amount of money that you want. But anyways, I'm gonna stop yapping and let's head straight to launching coins and making some money. So first of all, connect your wallet. It's simple as that. After that, I'm gonna look for a coin that is not bad. Let me refresh the list. Now, okay, the Burger King just caught my attention. Why? Because, you know, Burger King, it's kind of funny. It has a last buy 4 seconds ago, which is really good, 200 replies, and a $35,000 market cap. I'm going to click on create coin, which will copy it. Go inside your Phantom wallet. Oh my god. And yes, you will get a warning, okay? It's completely normal. Every single person is gonna get this warning. Just proceed anyway. Confirm, I understand, confirm. And then the coin should be copied shortly. Come on. Well, created. Same thing. Boom. And if I go on SoScan, you can see that the coin is created. It's all legit. The website actually works, okay? Now copy here and click on create liquidity pool. And now it's time to make your coin tradable on the blockchain. So here, just select your coin. It should be pre-selected. Select your balance. It should be pre-selected also. Amount token A, click on 90% to put 900 million coins in the pool, right? Amount token B, this is actually the first buy inside your own coin. Now, since you will be the first buyer inside your own coin, you are not losing this money. I'm going to put 0.5 SOL. The minimum is 0.3, but I am not losing this money. It will come back inside my wallet after I remove the liquidity, because I am the first buyer. And now it's time to create the pool. So 3, 2, 1, create pool. Your Phantom wallet will pop up as usual. Then click on confirm, and then click on refresh. And boom, it popped up. As you can see, I'm already 40, no, what am I saying? 37 bucks in profit. Now click on view on Photon, and now your coin is live. Oh my god, it's already pumping. Let me go see who bought in real quick. Transactions. Okay, we're getting a bunch of buys in. Let's go. $47 buy. Let's fucking go. $1 buy. Couple of dollar buys. Let's go. Pump. Come on, pump. We're at the $400 market cap. Let's go. Okay, bro, I'm not gonna lie, bro. If it rips really high, I will be removing the liquidity, bro. Fuck it. Come on, pump. Okay, to remove the liquidity, come back to token.Fun. Click on the minus button, do 100% remove liquidity. Oh my god, I'm about to retire my entire family. Confirm. And boom! That's exactly how you pump and dump a coin and print thousands of dollars on demand. And if I open my Phantom wallet to see exactly how much I made in 3, 2, 1. Come on, bro, I'm so nervous. I'm actually so nervous. Oh my god, please, at least 500. 3, 2, 1. $550 is inside my wallet, so I made a exactly $500 profit. Create token.Fun is linked in the comments down below or in the description. If you want to win one soul like this guy right here, make sure to like, comment your Solana address, and subscribe. And yeah, bye.